Mr. President, I would like to move to declare the position of the Senate President as vacant, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is approved.
Binakante ng Senado ang posisyon sa Senate Presidency sa sesyon sa plenaryo kanina. Agad namang ninominate ni Senator Mig Zubiri si Senate Minority Leader Tito Soto III bilang Senate President.
I have the honor of nominating Senator Vicente C. Soto III as Senate President. I witnessed firsthand his peerless leadership and work ethic, and I can say with conviction that he has been nothing short of a reliable and trustworthy leader. With Senator Soto as Senate President, the Senate is in good hands.
Suportado ni Senator Loren Legarda ang nominasyon kay Soto.
The Senate at its finest when debate sharpens judgment and unity springs from conviction. This, I believe, is what Senator Vicente Tito Soto III embodies and why I rise in support of his nomination as Senate President.
Dahil walang ibang nominado, agad ding isinara ang nominasyon at hinirang si Senator Soto bilang bagong Senate President. Bago umupo sa posisyon, nilapitan siya ni Senator Francis Chis Escudero para kamayan at batiin. Agad ding nanumpa si Senator Soto kasama ng kanyang pamilya.
I, Vicente C. Soto III,
Having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
Nagbigay naman ng pahayag si former Senate President Chis Escudero sa pagpalit sa kanya ni Soto.
Nais ko pong magpasalamat sa mga kapwa ko miyembro ng Senado na nagbigay po ng tiwala sa akin sa 19th at saka 20th Congress. I hold no grudges, I hold no ill feelings. I congratulate Senator Vicente Tito Soto III on his election as Senate President, and I wish you well, Mr. Senate President. Nandito lamang po ako bilang ordinaryong miyembro para pagsilbihan at paglingkuran kayo sa anumang kapasidad na pwede at kaya ko bilang bahagi ng Senadong ito.
Sa isang ambush interview kanina kay Senator Tito Soto, sinabi nito na ang dahilan ng pagpapalit ng liderato ay bunsod ng mga kinakaharap na isyu ngayon sa Senado. Gayunman, hindi anya dito kasama ang pagkakaugnay ng pangalan ni Senator Escudero sa isyu ng flood control.
Maraming mga hinaharap yung leadership namin. Di ba? Maraming hinaharap. Buti na rin siguro yung we'll try to calm things down in the Senate.
Kasama ba ang flood control issue kaya bababa siya?
Hindi naman siguro. Ito yung talagang a few weeks back pinag-uusapan na rin ng mga kasama namin. I think the best, I will not be the best person to ask of the change.
Kasabay ng pagkakaupo ni Senate President Tito Soto ay nag-nominate rin ng mga bagong kapalit sa pwesto ng Senate Pro Tempore at Senate Majority Leader. Pinalitan ni Senator Panfilo Lacson si Senator Jinggoy Estrada bilang Senate Pro Tempore. Habang si Senator Mig Zubiri naman ang bagong Senate Majority Leader kapalit ni Senator Joel Villanueva. JP Nunez, UNTV, News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.